Here is a 2007 Hampton Bay Romano 2 ceiling fan in my aunt's bedroom. It's 54 inches. So yeah, this was bought in 2007 at Home Depot. Hampton Bay fans were sold exclusively at Home Depot because Hampton Bay is Home Depot's house brand. It's been pretty good. It moves a pretty good amount of air. This replaced a Hunter low profile ceiling fan, I think. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. Definitely favorite thing about it is the light. I think the light kit looks really nice, and the blades also look very cool. This is a childhood fan because I remember looking at it when I was younger. So yeah, here is the remote. Let me go ahead and turn the light on. It's black. There's the Hampton Bay logo. So yeah, let me go ahead and turn it on. Here is low. Now they do use this in the winter sometimes to circulate the heat. It's got a rather slow low speed, which I like. Something over there just rattled from the fan, I think. So yeah, the motor does have a slight humming sound. It moves a very gentle breeze. Here is medium, my favorite speed. It moves a gentle breeze, just like low. Then here is high. And then here is off. So yeah, this is a pretty good fan, all in all. The motor does kind of have a humming sound, which I do like, honestly. It moves a pretty decent amount of air. It's very slightly underpowered, but yeah. It's also a nice looking fan, in my opinion. So yeah, there is the 2007 Hampton Bay Romano 2 ceiling fan. Thank you for watching, and over now.